Today, we will discuss AmpleNote, Logseek, and Obsidian. Fundamentally, the purpose of all three of these programs is to enable the user to establish connections between input data. Backlinking and other types of data linkages are used to accomplish this. These similarities draw attention to their shared objective, which is to give users strong tools for organizing and relating their knowledge. Now let's examine the main features of these three platforms. AmpleNote integrates calendaring, task management, and note-taking with the goal of creating a workflow that is productivity focused, highlights a productivity funnel that progresses from hurried jots to well-organized notes and assignments, possesses strong cross-platform capabilities, include cloud syncing, possesses a well-defined workflow. Logseek emphasizes taking notes in blocks and outlining, strong emphasis on inquiries and informational blocks that are related, great for recording quick ideas and keeping a daily journal. Robust query and backlining features depends on local files as well. Obsidian emphasizes a personal knowledge base while concentrating on local markdown files. Incredibly adaptable with a large ecosystem of plugins. Excellent for long form writing, places a lot of focus on connecting notes and building a network of thought depends on local files. All in all, these three platforms provide tools to increase their functionality even though they accomplish extensibility in various ways. Users can customize these tools to meet their own needs, whether it's through the integrated task and calendar features of AmpleNote, the query capabilities of Logseek, or the ecosystem of plugins in Obsidian.